Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab in diamond black crystal pearl. With night edition, black headlamp bezels, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 40,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, black tubular side steps by Mopar, power tailgate release, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7990.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.